it's Marie with WTI. Are you ready to have your taste buds explode with wonderful, yummy goodness?
All right, guys, you may be thinking that I am extra, but I am so serious when I say this is my favorite coffee to go in my Keurig. As you can see, I already had one in there because that's the type of coffee that I drink. So you put it in there, you put 10 ounces, even though you can do less, but why do that when you can have a yummy 10-ounce mug of this blueberry yummy goodness? It is so good. The smell itself will just get you excited. If anyone knows me, they know I love to dance when something is good. This coffee has me dancing all day. I just love it.
So if you are a coffee lover, even if you're not a coffee lover, please give this a try because it is so incredibly good. I just love it. It just soothes me. It just makes me happy. I'm about to make a cup right now. I'm so serious. I love this product, and that's my point of view.